Hey friends, welcome back to Lulu Ladybug Creations YouTube channel. We're going to be working on this cup that I'm calling Green with Envy. Hi, my name is Christy. I'm the owner and creator with Lulu Ladybug Creations. You can find me on my other social media across the page at Lulu Ladybug Creations. I hope you enjoy the beauty of handmade. So this tumbler I've already painted and I've already glittered. I wasn't going to do a video tutorial, but I decided to go ahead and do one. I have the spray paints listed below, and I used glitter, Chase Rae Daydream. It's a glow-in-the-dark glitter, and then the bottom is a chunky mix green glitter that I got from a store called Burlap and Bees. They don't sell glitter no more, but I did still link her website down below because she still sells vinyl. Now, I cut out these leopard prints in a metallic green, and I started off just wanting to do like 2 swipes of the leopards, and I ended up covering the entire tumbler with the leopard. This tumbler that I'm using, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's a 14-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do these. I was going to do it in a curved pattern, 2 curved patterns. And I just went ahead and filled it up. So as y'all could see, I was about to start putting my decals on, and I decided, no, let's just cover it up with the leopard print, which is what I'm doing. And right now I'm using transfer tape to apply the stencils, the leopard spots, but I'll end up using my tweezers and manually adding them one by one, which made it a lot easier because I was able to really see where I wanted to place them. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm adding my decals. I got these images from Creative Fabrica, and I have the links to each image in the description below. We're going to go ahead and place all these and get it ready for epoxy. Okay, so Daydream and the chunky green, we're going to fix the bottom of the booty. make it a glitter booty. So we're going to use this Daydream around the bottom rim, and then the chunky green mix that I got from Burlap and Bees, we'll use it for the middle well of the bottom tumbler. So I'm adding more of the chunky mix to the bottom of the tumbler because I didn't feel like I'll put enough. But then we're going to cure it with this curing lamp and add a floral down at the bottom, and then add our final epoxy. You do have to be careful when you touch at the bottom to see if it's cured because it does get hot. Now we're going to add our final butterfly and our little logo of Lulu Ladybug. I'm adding a little bit more UV light to the bottom to make sure that it's cured completely. I'm going to get the X-Acto knife and clean the rim, clean all the excess that, oh my goodness, the epoxy that got over. And then we'll put our final coat of epoxy on this tumbler. Okay, so to our final coat of epoxy, I'm going to add a little bit of laser cut silver holographic glitter to my epoxy. And then when my epoxy is placed onto the tumbler turner, when my cup is placed on tumbler turner, goodness gracious. When I place the cup on the turner, I will add a little bit of sprinkles of laser cut gold glitter to the epoxy. It was cold in my craft shed, so what I'm doing is I'm using my heat gun to kind of warm up the epoxy so that it'll be easier to spread on the tumbler. So when I mix my epoxy, I normally mix it for approximately 3 minutes. And to me, that's a good time for it to get really, really mixed in together. I don't normally show the process of me mixing my epoxy, but I thought I'd add it into this video so that y'all can see me adding in this silver laser cut holographic glitter. I will be making some adjustments to the flowers and replacing them in butterfly, kind of moving them around to in a better position that I didn't think they were in a good position. So we're just going to move them around before applying the epoxy. So I am going to add just little bits of sprinkles here and there of the gold laser cut glitter. I'm doing this to add a little bit of little extra something to this tumbler. It looks really, really pretty. Now at this point, I'm going to use my heat gun to pop any micro bubbles that may have occurred on the cup while adding the epoxy. Now this is the final tumbler. Came out really, really pretty. Green is my favorite color, if y'all didn't know. But I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all stayed with me till the end. This cup came out really, really pretty. I know you can't really see the silver on video, but close up you can really see the silver, and it did add some really pretty dimension to this tumbler. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, comment below, share this video so that it gets out to more viewers. I want to thank y'all again for watching, and please watch these videos next.